Welcome to your channel. At the 2025 Critics' Choice Awards, Angelina Jolie captivated attendees by wearing a stunning lace dress designed by Elie Saab. The gown, part of Elie Saab's Spring-Summer 2025 collection, featured intricate lace detailing throughout, with a flowing floor-length silhouette. The ensemble had delicate short sleeves, a cinched waistline that highlighted her figure, and a sheer overlay. Jolie completed the look with a bold red lip that contrasted with the gown's soft tones, and styled her hair in loose, effortless waves. At the 2025 Critics' Choice Awards, Demi Moore shined in a stunning navy blue strapless gown by Schiaparelli. The dress had a sparkling bodice and a unique skirt with delicate cuts, giving it a stylish and elegant look. She completed her outfit with navy high heels, decorated with pearl details, and simple silver jewelry. Her hair was styled in a sleek updo, and she wore natural makeup with a nude lip and smoky eyeshadow. Demi Moore attended the event as a nominee for Best Actress for her role in The Substance. At the 2025 Critics' Choice Awards, Zoe Salana captivated everyone in a custom red Saint Laurent gown designed by Anthony Vaccarello. The dress featured draped shoulder pads and a flowing skirt, with a surprising open back adorned by a single button and a black bow. She completed her look with a satin choker and Cartier jewelry. That evening, Salana won the award for Best Supporting Actress for her role in Emilia Perez. At the 2025 Critics' Choice Awards, Ariana Grande turned heads with her stunning and chic appearance in a Dior couture gown. This dress, from Dior's Spring 2025 collection, featured a unique design with fishnet lace and a voluminous tutu-like skirt, resembling a ballerina's outfit. The style was inspired by the world of The Wizard of Oz and her character, Glinda. Ariana completed the look with black high heels and diamond flower-shaped earrings. Her natural makeup, with bold black eyeliner and a soft pink lip, made her look effortlessly elegant. Her hair was styled in a sleek, glossy updo, adding the perfect finishing touch to her outfit. Ariana Grande was nominated for Best Supporting Actress for her role as Glinda in Wicked. The film led the nominations with 11 nods, including Best Picture and Best Ensemble. At the 2025 Critics' Choice Awards, Nicole Kidman wore a cream-colored suit from Saint Laurent's Spring-Summer 2025 collection. She paired it with a light blue shirt and a navy polka dot tie, creating a look that was both elegant and reminiscent of classic menswear. This ensemble was inspired by her co-star Harris Dickinson's character Samuel from the film Baby Girl. Kidman completed her outfit with black pointed pumps and styled her blonde hair in soft waves. At the 30th Annual Critics' Choice Awards 2025, Cynthia Erivo turned heads by wearing a bold black leather outfit. The design, with its structured cuts and minimalist details, showcased a blend of classic glamour and modern edge. With simple accessories and a carefully curated look, she radiated confidence and innovation, making this moment one of the most memorable style moments of the night. As she walked the red carpet alone, she effortlessly placed herself at the center of attention. Her style was exactly what was needed to catch every eye. The dress she wore was nothing short of perfect, a custom strapless silk Dolce & Gabbana gown with a unique design that gave her an air of elegance and sophistication. What truly stood out, though, was the chunky diamond necklace she wore, featuring a large pendant that sparkled from a distance, adding a radiant, eye-catching glow to her ensemble. It was a bold choice, and one that drew everyone's gaze. Dakota Fanning was a symbol of grace and natural beauty, embodying the perfect harmony of simplicity and brilliance. Katriona Bal appeared on the red carpet in a beautiful and sparkling dress. This time, she made a stunning choice with a silver gown that perfectly matched her outstanding and captivating personality. The soft, shimmering color of the dress not only gave her a special glow, but also showcased its simplicity and elegance. The modern, chic design of the dress not only gave her a luxurious look, but also highlighted her beauty and figure. The precise choice of color and design perfectly matched her jewelry and natural makeup. With this style, Katriona showed a balanced and calm appearance while remaining stunning. Her presence at the event was not only a sign of her natural and endless beauty, but also a symbol of her unique taste and confidence.